Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you have managed server rights. This lets you add bots and change roles. Next, invite the Verify bot with appropriate scopes, bot and applications. Commands, so it can create messages and manage roles. Once done, create a dedicated verification channel and a restricted role like Unverified to control access. This prevents new users from seeing everything before verification. Make sure audit logging is enabled, so you can track changes if something goes wrong later. You now build the actual flow inside the bot dashboard or using /commands. Select a method, reaction, CAPTCHA, or a verification command, and connect the success role that grants full access. Then set retry limits and timeouts so automatic failures don't lock users out forever. Once configured, customize the prompt text, button labels, and any welcome DM. This improves clarity and reduces support requests. If the bot supports logging, enable it so you have a record of verifications and denials. Finish by testing the full process with a throwaway account. Walk through failure and success paths to confirm roles are applied and channels hidden. Make sure the bot role is above the target role in server settings so it can assign it, and verify channel permission overrides block unverified users. If verification fails, check the bot's OAuth scopes and role hierarchy first, then inspect logs for errors. If needed, re-invite the bot with correct permissions or reset the verification module and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.